Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat tengah hari kepada semua murid-murid SMK Komen Bukit Nanas dan juga kepada murid-murid daripada sekolah lain yang sempat mengikuti kelas live Matematik Tambahan, okey, bersama Sir Izzat hari ini Okey, apa khabar guys? Welcome back to our class. Alright. So hari ini ada satu tajuk yang sangat penting, okay, very important. And also for me, tajuk ni a bit it's not so difficult, but a lot of formula, a lot of identity. Okay, ada banyak law and rules that you need to consider, and then you need to remember also. Okay, so that's why tajuk hari ni I pecahkan kepada dua I akan pecah pada dua kelas, so I tak akan habiskan untuk single video. Okay, so guys, if you look at the title of this video, hari ini kita nak belajar tentang logarithm. Okay, ataupun bahasa Melayu kita panggil bahasa Melayu kita panggil logaritma. Okay, so apa yang penting, what is so important about logarithm ni? Okay, so I dah buat satu satu kertas ni. I dah buat satu ringkasan, okay, summary the summary of the law of logarithm. Okay, this is the things that we are going to learn in this topic. Nampak? Ada berapa banyak ni? 9 1, 2, 3 sampai 9. Okay guys, I give you time. Okay, please snap a picture. If you have a phone with you, okay, boleh ambil gambar, ataupun kalau nak sempat salin, I think tak sempat kot. Okay, so this is the 9 things that we are going to learn in this subtopic. Okay, tapi for your information, I tak boleh go through all these 9 identities on a single days, okay, on a single video. Sebab kalau I buat nanti makan masa yang lama. Okay, so my target is kelas kita sekejap aja, okay, kelas kita sekejap saja hari ni. So maybe I will try to discuss with you from number 1 until number 7. Okay, so number 8, number 9, number and etc will be on the next video. Alright, so this is what we are going to learn. Okay, the summary and the identity. Okay, the formula, the identity that we are going to learn in this subtopic logarithms. Okay, so I hope you guys dah ambil gambar, ataupun gambar lah nak salin tak sempat. Okay, so tak apa, don't worry, I will show you time to time, okay, this formula. Alright guys, so look at your textbooks. As usual, murid-murid yang baru saja mengikuti live channel saya ni, okay, bahan saya ialah buku teks. So anda boleh refer pada buku teks pada muka surat 100 berapa ni? 109, okay, 109, turn to page 109. So the tajuk dia ialah the law of logarithm, the law of logarithm, ataupun Melayu dia kita panggil hukum logaritma. Okay guys, apa yang so important about this tajuk sebenarnya? Okay, 4.3 and 4.1 they are actually sibling. Okay, faham 4.1 anda belajar tentang index law. 4.3 you belajar law of logarithm. Okay, law of logarithm, hukum logaritma. So sebenarnya 4.1 hukum indeks dan juga 4.3 hukum logaritma, mereka adalah connected each other. Okay, so look at my first formula here, my first law of logarithm. Okay, if you look here, I will go through with you all this. So ax equals to b. A is a base, x is a power. Okay, base with a power, x equals to b. This makcik here, okay, makcik ini kita panggil index number. Okay, index. Now you see the arrow here is a equivalence. Ni maksud I equivalence. So index number we can convert become logarithm form. Okay, in a log form. This one we call log form, logarithm form, ataupun short form dia we call log form. So this is dalam bentuk log. So macam mana kita ubah? You see ax equals to b, right? So when we change to become a log, dia akan jadi log, is a short form for logarithm. Log, log, the base a you cut paste here, and b you put it on the top of a equals to x. Okay, So this is how we convert from index number to become log. And also log form can become against the indices form into index form. Okay, so that means how we change the log form to become index form again. So senang saja, since log AB equals to X, so what we can do is this huruf A, we bring up to the right side, it become a big A. Okay, A pergi ke sebelah sini kan akan jumpa X, right? So A akan jadi besar, X here will become a power. And then what happened is equals to B. Okay, there is no more log because this one, okay, from AX equals to B, from indices, from index number to become log AB equals to X. This one we call log form. But from the log form to become again to become the index number, that one we call anti-log. Okay. So guys, the arrow from left to right we call conversion into the log form, but from right to left we call anti-log. Okay. So I hope you guys faham Ini permulaan Right. Itu rules yang pertama. Nanti kita akan go through contoh lepas ni Okay, rules number 2, log A1. Okay, for your information, A, B, okay, A is a base number base number, and also A here cannot be negative. Itu rules, itu satu benda yang you kena ingat Okay, kena tambah dekat sini, A cannot be negative. Alright. Alright, so if you want to convert if you want to solve the problem that involving log, A here cannot be negative. If the A is negative, your log will become math error. Okay, math error. So please remember that. So I already state here, A cannot be negative. Okay, so now the second law of the logarithm, log A can be any number. Okay, so log A1 equals to 0. Alright, log A1 equal to 0. Number 3, log AA. You see here? You see here? Log AA. That means log AA, they are same numbers here. Log, let's say, log 3, 3. Log 4, 4. Log 7, 7. Log 10, 10. How much the value? Equals to 1. Okay, remember that. Okay, that is number 3. Number 4, log AB power of X. Here, you see? Number 4, we got log AB, but on the top of B we got power X. So what we can do here? So this one, this log AB power X, we can simplify this equation so that we just bring up the X down, and then we bring to the front of the log. So nampak is equals to what? Is equals to the X here, I move to the front, it become X log AB. That means it become X times log AB. Okay, that is rules number 4. Okay, I nak discuss until rules number 7 So rules number 5, this one, anti-log. Anti-log X. If you have a question that asking you find the anti-log blah 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 blah, that means it will be equals to 10 to the power of that blah blah blah. Okay, this is the rules. Okay, so ingat So number 6, log XY. Okay guys, log XY here, you see X and Y, they are side by side. Mereka rapat-rapat each other Mereka sebelah-sebelah. That means they are times together. That means this is log X times Y, right? X times Y. Okay. Now, ada orang tanya, nanti akan ada orang tanya, adakah number log XY sama ke dengan X log AB ni? Okay. Boleh tak I put the X in front of B? Macam ni. Dia akan jadi log AB times X in front. Tak, sama That means number 4 and number 6, they are not equal. Okay. Here, the X here is a power. So the power we simplify, we can bring to the front of the log. It becomes X times log AB. But this one is not the power. X and Y, they are not power. Y is not the power of Y. Y is not the power of X. But Y actually is the numbers that multiply with X. So log A XY, we can, since this is time, so if you still remember the what we call it, the law of index, if we have times base, so that means what happened to the power? The power become plus, right? Okay, so that also goes to logarithm. So if we have log AXY, so that means we can split makcik ini. Kita kena pisahkan makcik XY, so dia akan jadi tambah. So dia akan jadi log AX plus log AY. Okay. And the number 7, log A, this one pula. Number 6 and number 7, they are identical because this one just multiply, but this one is a divide. Okay, X over by Y. X over by Y, that means log AX minus log AY. Okay, that will be the objective for today. Okay, number 1 until number 7. 8, 9, nanti on the next class. Alright. So, that is about today objective. Habislah. Okay, dah habis dah kita punya lesson sebenarnya hari ni. Alright, now let's go through to the example. Okay. Now, if you look at your textbooks, kita cuba tengok example nombor berapa ni. Okay, example 19 Look at the example 19, page 111 page 111. Okay, kita go through semua example dia. Okay. So, example 19. Okay, convert. That means they want to change. They asking to change the 2 power 4 equal to 16 into the logarithm form. Nampak? 2 power 4 equal to 16 is the index form, right? Index number. Macam mana korang nak tukar index number become log? Nampak? I dah tunjuk tadi kan? Nombor 1 tadi, how to tukar index form to become log form. AX sama dengan B sama dengan log AB equals to X. Very straightforward, semudah ABC. Okay, semudah ABC. So, since example 9 example 19. So, 2 power 4 equals to 16. Therefore, okay, guys, this is your A, this is your B, this is your A, this is your A, this is your X, this is your B. Okay. So kalau korang nak tukar jadi nak jadi log form, sangat mudah. Dia akan jadi apa? Log AB equals to X, right? So dia akan jadi log A, korang buat kecil saja bila tukar jadi log. 2 tu kecil saja, 16 besar equals to 4 besar. Okay. This is how you convert from the index form to become log form. 2, 4 equals to 16. So that means log 2 base 2 besar kan kat sini. Bila you tulis in the form into the form, when you convert to become a form into the log form, the base 2 just write down a small 2 like this, put it underneath the G here, okay, and then 16, don't forget the 16 is your answer B, right? So put it here, big 16 equals to 4, big 4, okay. The 4 actually is our power, so dia akan jadi besar. Okay, so this is how you convert. Okay, you may refer to your textbooks also. Okay, now my soalan is how we convert this makcik again to become this one, to become blue color balik. Okay, semudah ABC. Okay, I guna pen line pula. So pertama sekali korang gerakkan 2 ke kanan. Okay, korang gerakkan saja 2 ni ke kanan. Korang nak tukar daripada log form to become index form, right? So sangat mudah, very straightforward. So you just move the 2 to the right side. So apa berlaku sekarang? 2 ni adalah small numbers, right? Small size here. So when you move to the right side, it become big 2. Okay, dia akan jadi 2 besar. Dia akan jadi 2 besar. What happened to 4 on the right side? Dia become power, which is small size. Dia akan jadi small size like this. Okay, so 2 move it here, it become big 2, 4 cut and paste, become a power, and 16 remain the same on your left side, big size. See, they are convert again, vice and versa. Okay, they can go and through. Okay, number 1, you see, this is our blue color, is the real soalan. Now we convert become logarithm form, and then we convert again to become index form. That's how you convert. Okay, guys. From blue to become red, we call logarithm form. But from red to become black, we call anti-log. The short form for conversion from log become index number, we call anti-log. Always remember that, right? Anti-log number dia, From red to become black. But from blue to become red, we call conversion into logarithm form. Okay, ataupun log form. Senang cerita. Alright, that is example 19. Okay, so far faham ke semua? Okay, please respond dekat live chat. Harap-harap tak ada siapa yang bermasalah. Hopefully semua okay. I rasa I dah buat yang paling shortcut, yang paling simple. Okay, if you guys ada problem, please respond on the live chat, okay? Faham Okay, good. Alright, so we carry on to the next. Alright, thank you semua. Now, we look at the example 20. Example 20, we are talking about to convert the log become indices. To become index form. So, that one we call anti-log, right? The other name is we call anti-log. So, semudah ABC, log 327 equals to 3, the small 3, okay, the small 3 underneath the G, you just bring to the right side, it become a big 3 to the power 3 equals to 27. Semudah ABC, right? Okay, that is example 20. Now, example 21. Okay, example 21, you guys need to use the calculator. Okay, hopefully you guys sudah ada calculator with you. So, calculator, either this color, the new version ataupun the ayam brand nama punya. Okay, even though this ayam brand, I lebih prefer use this one compared to this. Okay, so because I membesar dengan ini. Okay, I membesar dengan ini. Alright, so yeah. Okay, so you need to use a calculator to solve the problem for example 21. Okay, guys, let's look at example 21. So this one. Example 21A. Find the value. We are talking about value. That means we want to find the answer. How much the log 10 7? Okay. Log 10 7. Oh yeah, for your information I lupa lah nak mention kat korang. Log 10 log 10. I tulis kat sini Okay, let's say we got log 10A. Log 10A, kalau korang malas, contohlah kalau korang malas nak tulis log 10A macam ni kan, korang boleh tulis shortcut dia, iaitu ni dia. Shortcut dia LGA. LG ni log sebenarnya. LG ni sebenarnya log 10. Okay, kena faham log 10. Hanya 10 saja log 10A. That means we also can write in the form like this, LGA. Okay, tapi kalau soalan you log 216, you cannot write LG16 because LG ni stand for log 10 saja. Okay, log 10 saja. Alright. So if you look at the exercise example 21 log 10 7, okay, dia kalau kat buku teks dia terus bagi jawapan kan. Okay, I tunjuk you step yang yang I convert jadi log LG tu, okay. So dia sebenarnya boleh tulis LG 7 sebenarnya. Okay, dia boleh tulis macam ni. Okay, kalau korang malas nak tulis panjang-panjang lah. Okay, log 10, korang boleh tulis LG saja 7. But remember, LG hanya untuk log 10. Okay, so how we solve this problem? Semudah ABC. Mana kalkulator korang? Ni. I tunjuk dua-dua. Okay, ada orang message. Okay, dia cakap, cikgu, I tak ada kalkulator yang white color, I ada kalkulator ini saja. So tunjuk yang ni sekali. Okay, then I tunjuk hari ni. So, guys, but this one dia limited so dia tak boleh compute macam-macam lah. Okay, dia basic. Bukanlah basic, maksud I dia yang lama. So you guys kena faham lah dia punya ability dia setakat mana saja. Do not compare this calculator with this alright. So how to find the answer? Okay, if you are using this calculator, you can see a button log here, log. Press that log. Okay, this log actually represent log 10. Okay, log here represent log 10 already. So tak perlu tulis log and then tulis 10 macam ni. Tak perlu this one tak perlu salah kalau tulis macam ni. Log already equals to log 10. Okay, so log, press log 7. Okay, press log 7. That means log 7 here actually equals to log 10 7. And then just press equal. Then you get the answer. 0.8 berapa? 0.848451. Sama ke? Yes, sama dengan buku teks. Sangat straightforward. Alright? Kalau nak guna makcik ni pula. Okay, nak guna makcik ni. Makcik ni dengan calculator, the grey color, they are identical, almost identical. Okay? So, kalau korang tengok dekat calculator ni ada button lock juga. Ada button lock here. Korang tekan lock. Nampak tak? Dia ada dua kotak kat sini. Calculator ini dia canggih sikit sebab apa? This calculator only can read log 10. But this calculator can read not only log 10, log apa-apa nombor pun boleh. That's why dia ada the small box here. The small box here so that you can write down what base you want to use. So our base here is a 10, right? So tulis 10. Okay, you tulis 10 and then arrow ke kanan, then dia akan masuk to the next box here. The next box you just write down 7. Okay, and then korang tekanlah equal. Dapatlah jawapan yang sama macam teks. Semudah ABC. Okay, habis. Okay, that is example 21. So for the question B also, you just press the, bagi jawapan So example 21 berapa jawapan dia tadi? 0.8451 4 decimal places Alright. So that is a log 1079. So tekan saja log 1079 equal. So let's say I use this calculator, log 79. For this calculator, just press log and 79. Then you get the answer. 1.8987. 8976. Okay, 76. Right? Sama tak? Okay, sama. Habis kita. Okay. So now C question C. Kita bincang C sebab C tu nampak cantik sikit, ada power lagi kat luar tu, dekat bracket. Okay. So untuk question C, log 10 again 3/4 to the power of 3, right? Okay guys, how we solve this problem? Question C. Log 10 bracket 3/4 power 3. Semudah ABC. Okay, you look at the buku teks. What buku teks did is they expand. Okay, they expand the 3/4 with to the power of 3 here. They find the final value of cube. That means it becomes 27/64, right? Okay, that is the first way. The textbook show you the first way to solve the problem. Okay, guys, ada tak second way? The second way is back to our identity here. Now, mana yang ada power? Ni nombor 4. Nombor 4 ni kalau korang tengok, log ABX. X ni power tau. Kalau korang tengok kat sini, log A, ini the whole thing is B to the power X. Okay, so according to number 4, what we can do? How we solve the number 4? We can bring down the power to the front of the log. So it become X log AB. So kat sini akan jadi apa? Sebenarnya untuk soalan B ni, untuk soalan C ni, korang boleh buat 3 ni letak kat depan. So 3 to bring, you bring down the 3, it become 3 log 10 bracket 3/4. Then you get the same answer. Okay, so that means there is a 2 ways to solve the problem. The first way is shown by the buku teks. Okay, and the second way we apply the fourth rules. Okay, so kalau kita guna fourth rules tu, tekan saja calculator. Berapa tu? 3 3 log 10 kan? Okay, 3/4. Okay, so berapa jawapan korang dapat? Dan korang sepatutnya dapat jawapan macam ni. Nampak kot? Okay, nampak? I bring down the power 3 to the front. I apply the four rules. So boleh juga jawab soalan ni So tak susah, semudah ABC. Selesai. Satu lagi guna calculator ni pula. Kan orang bising tanya mana calculator satu lagi. Okay, now I show you. So I just bring down the 3 to the front and then I press log. Okay guys, for this calculator now we have 3/4. How to write down the 3/4? You cannot write down like this Jangan tulis macam ni 3/4, salah nanti. Bukan salah. Mungkin jawapan kalkulator betul, tapi in some case, another case, maybe it will give us a wrong answer. So if we have if we have a fraction, a log fraction like that, like 3/4, this one, like this example 3/4, we put a bracket. Okay, play safe. Okay, I nak korang play safe so that korang tak dapat, maksudnya korang akan dapat markah lah. Okay, takut nanti calculator bagi different answer, so habis kita. So that's why I play safe. I put 3/4 inside a bracket. That means we are showing what I'm trying to show here is 3/4 actually they are single fraction. Okay, they are single value, single things. Okay, it's a single things. That's why I put a bracket. If without bracket, sometimes this calculator akan baca 3 log 3 answer and then bahagi 4. Nampak kan susah? So that's why put a bracket, play safe. So press the equal, then we get the answer berapa ni? 0.37 berapa ni? Oh, negative 3748 3748 sama? Okay, sama. Alright, settle calculator yang kedua. I tak ada calculator grey, okay? So itu saja yang I ada, calculator. Alright, settle for example 21. Now look at the example 22. Okay, example 22 is about what? Find the value each of the following. Okay, log 5, 6 to 5. Okay, now let's discuss this one. We want to find the value. Okay, we want to find the value, alright? Soalan berapa ni? Example 22 Example 22. So the first question is log 5, 6 to 5. Okay, guys, how we solve makcik ini? So log 5, 6 to 5. Okay, kalau korang tengok, okay, let's say this calculator, we cannot use this calculator to solve the problem because the log button here only for log 10. Only for log 10. But our soalan is log berapa? Log 5, log 5. So we cannot use this calculator to solve the problem directly. Maksudnya, just single press number then equal, then dapat jawapan. Tak ada This calculator cannot do that. But this calculator can. So what happened here? We just press log. And then you see the base here, we just put base 5. And then arrow to kanan, berapa soalan ni? 625 625 on the big box equal. So the answer berapa tu? 4 So jawapannya 4, sama dengan macam buku teks. Masalah dia ialah dalam exam dia tak suruh you guna calculator tau. Dia suruh you tunjuk jalan kerja baru guna calculator. So guys, actually you can solve the problem by using the calculator first because you can determine the final answer. Oh, my final answer should be 4. Kalau you guna manual, bila you buat manual nanti, you show when you show the methods, your step, and then it come up with different answer, that means your method will be problem lah. That's why the purpose of use the calculator is to check the final answer. So final answer mesti 4. Macam mana nak dapat 4? Okay. So let's do this one. Okay. Log 5, 6 to 5, we just let equals to x. That is the step. Okay, first step. Okay. Log 5, 6 to 5, we just let equals to x. Alright. So that means this x, we want to find x, right? Okay, we want to find the value sebenarnya. So what happened now? We just apply the anti-log. So 5 we bring to the right side. So it becomes anti-log. So 6 to 5 equals to 5 to the power x. Okay, 6 to 5 equals to 5 to the power x. Now, your job is you need to convert 6 to 5 to become 5 power something. You need to try an error now. Find the, what we call that, index 5. Okay, the index number for 5. So 5 power 1, 5, 5 power 2, 25 power 5 power 3, berapa? 1 to 5, 5 power 4, 6 to 5. So you kena convert. So 5 power 4 equals to 5 power x. Okay, this is your ini from 6 to 5 to become 5 power 4. This one you need to try an error. How I know 5? Because we are using the same base, right? On the right side here. Because the base here is 5, so this one also you need to apply 5 power something. Okay, so when after you got the 5 power 4, so since the base are equal, what happened to the x? X equals to 4. Sangat straightforward. Habis. This is the method shown by the buku teks. Ada tak cara lain? Ada. Okay. Cara pertama, guna calculator dapat jawapan untuk double check jawapan. Cara kedua, use this method. Okay, use this method. Cara ketiga macam mana pula? Okay, cara ketiga. Okay, I nak you guys refer balik pada law of logarithm. Look at the number 3. To solve this problem, it will involve number 3 and number 4. Nampak? Log A berapa nilai dia? 1 Bila ada power on the huruf B, we can bring down and bring to the front of the log. Okay, ingat number 3 and number 4. Alright. So now let's solve this problem. Okay, still the same example. Log 5 625 Okay. First method, I just let this much c equals to x. The second method here, okay, 6 to 5. Okay, since the base here is 5, right? The base here is 5, right? So try to convert 6 to 5 into 5 power something also. So you can try and error, then you are supposed to get 5 power 4. Alright, you akan dapat log 5 and then 6 to 5 actually 5 power 4. Now you see log AB x, right? Log AB power x. So what we can do with 4 here, we can bring to the front. So dia akan jadi apa? Dia akan jadi 4 log 5, right? 4 log 5. So according to the third law yang I tunjuk tadi, log AA sama dengan berapa? 1. So 4 times 1, berapa jawapan dia? 4. Same answer like same answer like the first method shown by the textbooks. Okay, so it's up to you. You nak guna cara mana? Doesn't matter, right? But normally people will use the first method. Jarang orang guna second method ni. Sebab apa? Second method, if the number can convert become similar base. But if this number cannot convert to become similar base, that means, contoh this is the base 5, right? This one is 700. Ada ke? 5 power something equal to 700? Tak ada, right? So that's why they prefer to use the first method. Okay. Shuhan, do we have to copy the example in our textbooks? No need to copy the example. You need to copy the exercise only, self-practice only. Example tak perlu. Example for us to is just for us to discuss, right? Okay. So that is log 5, 6 to 5. And then the log 6, 7, 7, 7, 6. So B also you can use the first method. You just let equals to x and then 6 power x equal to 7, 7, 7, 6. And then you try to convert the 7, 7, 7, 6 to become 6 power something. And then you are supposed to get 6 to the power 5. Therefore, x equals to 5. That is your example 22. Alright, settle. Okay, example 23. Okay, example 23. Determine the value of x if log 5x equals to 3. Not so mudah ABC this one. This one, okay, untuk soalan ini, example 23 So, log 5x equals to 3. You want to find x here, okay. Look here, if you look at the example here, you want to find x. So, to find x, now we need to apply the anti-log. Okay, what is anti-log? We need to bring the 5 to the right side. So, apa maksud anti-log? Nampak? Bila I bawa 2 ke kanan, dia akan jadi apa? 2 yang besar, 4 yang kecil. So, when I bring the 5 to the right side, it become big 5. But what happened to 3? Become a small 3. Because it's a power, right? So, we can make a conclusion here. Therefore, x equals to 5 to the power 3 equals to 1 to 5. Sama tak? 1 to 5. Yes. Habis cerita. That is your example 23. So it also similar like example 23B. This one is A. So B also they are same thing. Alright. Settle Now look at the example 24. Example 24 pasal apa pula? Oh, anti-log saja. Example 24 asking you to find the value for anti-log 0.1456. Back to our law of logarithm. Mana anti-log? Nombor 5. Anti-log numbers equals to 10 to the power numbers. That means anti-log whatever numbers that we put here equals to 10 to the power that numbers. That means example 24 anti-log 0.1456 So I tunjuk dulu calculator ni. Anti-log numbers, that means actually it is equal to 10 to the power of that numbers. So anti-log 0.14 equals to, okay, if you look at this calculator, on top of the log button there's a 10 to the power x. Is a gold color. It's a gold color, right? It's a gold color. Okay, mungkin tak nampak kot. Nampak. Okay, mana ni? Ni nampak button log ini on the top here, this yellow color ke gold color I pun tak pasti. There's a 10 power x here. So korang kena keluarkan ini. So how you how you press that button? So shift log, then it came up with 10. Okay, so just tulis saja 10 power of berapa? 0. berapa? 0.1456 and then okay, then 0.1456 and then you just press equal, then you are supposed to get the answer berapa tu? 1.3982 83 similar like textbooks, right? But how to use this makcik pula? Makcik ini, kalau korang tengok kat button log, there's a 10 power something also, the gold color, press shift log button, then you are supposed to get this. Okay, and then just press, insert your value 0.1456, then equal, then you got the answer. Right, semudah ABC sama Okay, sama. Alright, that is number 1. And then anti-log for negative value, same thing. Okay, tekan saja shift log and then tekan saja negative 0. berapa? 0.3976 equal. Korang dapat 0.40031 bla 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 whatever. Cut and paste. Okay, sama juga macam ni. Okay, ni pun sama Tekan shift log and then negative berapa? 0.3976. Okay, so korang tekan equal, then you guys akan dapat same value. Settle. Okay, that is example 24. Habis dah Yes, habis. Now look at the set practice. Okay guys, for my student SMK Convent Bukit Renas, murid-murid CBN, this exercise you need to do set practice 4.9 4.8 4.9. Okay, 4.9. Okay, so all the example that we discuss here, you need to copy and paste into your exercise books. Alright, so alright. Okay, let's do exercise 4.9, number 1 to until number 5. So number 1, convert the following into the logarithmic form. That means convert into log form So very straightforward. Okay, so 4.9 set practice 4.9. Set practice 4.9, number 1. Okay, number 1, we got A, B, C, D Yeah, so let's do 2 questions. Okay, A and donkey. So 3 to the power 4, 81 3 power 4 equals to 81. Therefore, if you want to convert into log, it becomes log it becomes log base 3, a small 3. 81 equals to 4. Okay, very straightforward. Right? 3 power 4 equals to 81. Convert become log into a log form. This is how we convert. Right? Log base 3, small 3, 81, big numbers, 4 big numbers. Big size. Okay, big size. Okay, and donkey 6 power 3 6 cube equals to 216. So convert into log form. Log 6 to 16 equals to 3. Habis. Okay. Oh sorry. This one log 6 to 16 equals to 3. Settle. Semudah ABC. Alright. And then B and C korang buatlah sendiri sebagai latihan korang kat rumah nanti. Alright. So ingat every example that we every separately that we discuss right here, you need to cut and paste into your exercise books, right? The rest you guys do when you have a time, okay? So the rest, all right. So number 2, convert the following into index form. So as usual, I will do the A and C lah. Okay, I will do the A and C. So number 2A, log 10 10,000. Log 10 10,000 equals to 4. Alright, the 2A here. So how we convert become index form? So we just bring the 10 to the right side so that 10 become big size, 4 becomes small size, 10,000 still remain the same size. So that one we call anti-log. So it will become 10,000 equals to 10 to the power 4. Okay, like this. 10,000 equals to 10 to the power 4. Okay, settle. Alright. And then, I tak nak buat B lah, I nak buat C because there's a negative, right? Negative. So, korang kan for biar sikit dengan negatif. Okay, so let's do the question C. So, question C, log 10 0.0001 equals to negative 4. Okay. So don't worry, even though there's a negative value, but to convert to apply the anti-log, they are still use the same process. So 0.0001 equals to 10 to the power negative 4. That's all. Okay, semudah ABC. Ni saja. Right, 10 to the power of negative 4 equal to this makcik here. Right? Okay. Kalau tak suka, okay guys, satu lagi. Sometimes previous chapter I already mentioned to you, right? We cannot leave our answer in the form of negative power. So what we can do here is we need to simplify this makcik. Kadang-kadang textbooks dia tak tunjuk jawapan ni sebagai final answer. Dia simplify this equation. So this one 10 to the power negative 4 actually equals to what? 1/10 to the power 4. Okay, orang boleh convert dia jadi 1/10 to the power 4. Alright. So because of the presence of negative here, so korang kena convert become this one 1/10 power 4. Right? That is your number 2. Settle. Now look at number 3. Oh, number 3 ada sampai G ada 7 soalan. I pilih 3 saja. Let's say I buat number B. I buat B, D, F. B, D, F. Okay? B, D, F. Alright. So, number 3, B. Log 1099. Log 1099. I told you log 10, we can write down the short form as LG99. So, tak kisah kalau korang nak tulis LOG10 pun boleh. If you guys want to write down LG pun also can. Tapi kalau korang tulis LOG99 salah. It must be LOG1099. Ataupun short form LG99. Alright? LG stand for log 10. It cannot apply on log 3 or log 4. Tak boleh. LG memang exclusively belongs to log 10. Right? So log 1099 calculator sahaja. So log 99 calculator log 99 dah dapat jawapan. Berapa jawapan tu? Cut and paste. Okay, 1.9956. 1.9956. Okay, guys, korang cuba. Sorry. Okay, donkey korang cuba kira pula. I tunjuk you step pertama saja. Okay. Nombor C pula. Sorry, bukan C, donkey donkey. Donkey log 264, right? Log 264. Okay. This makcik here, okay, kalau korang guna white calculator, memang tekan calculator terus dapat jawapan, but you still need to show the step. Okay, I will show you the step. First step, and then you need to calculate for me. Log 264. First step. Alright. I apply the second way, this one, This one. We got two ways, right, to solve the problem. So I apply the second way. Okay. First way, korang boleh cuba lagi nanti. I nak apply second way. Alright. So log 264 equals to log 2 power berapa? Okay. This one. Log 264. 64 I try to convert to become 2 power of something. Kenapa I'm using 2 here? Because my base is 2. So I need to use 2 also here. How much the power here? 2 power how much to become 64? Now try find the value. Okay. And then we get the answer. Okay guys. So for question B, log 264, convert the 64 become 2 power something, then you get the final answer. Settle, that is a 2B. There's a 3 donkey, 3 donkey. Alright, how about the 3F? The 3F. For F, log 4, 6, 256. Log 4, 256. Okay, still log 4. I want to use the second method juga. So it become log 4 power something, and then you get the final answer here. Okay. Now, if you look at the question F, log 4, 256, I convert the 256 to become 4 power something. Calculate for me how much that something here. Okay. So, Syuha sudah dapat 6. Okay. So, the first answer, the answer for donkey here, 2 power 6 here. Alright. 2 power 6. So, the final answer will be 6. Okay. 64 actually 2 power 6, and then I told you 6 you can bring to the front, it become 6 log 2, right? Log 2 is 1, so 6 times 1, 6. That's why the answer is 6. Okay, Shuhan also got the second answer here. Okay, log 256 equals to log 4 to the power of 4. 4 to the power of 4. So we can bring down the 4 to the front. We can bring down the power 4 to the front. It becomes 4 log 4. That means log 4, it actually is 1. So 4 times 1 equals to 4. Settle. Okay. Now let's do number 4. Number 4, 3 question. Okay, 2 question lah kita bincang. So A and C lah. Okay, we discuss A and C number 4. Alright, for number 4, A, log 2x 5. Log 2x equals to 5. Semudah ABC, You want to solve the problem, that means you want to find the x here. So you need to anti-log this makcik. Bring your 2 to the right side. So it becomes x equals to 2 to the power 5. Habis. Okay. X equals to 2 to the power of 5. 2 power of 5 equals to berapa? 32. Okay. X equals to 32. Please double check, betul ke? Tak silap 32 lah. Okay. That is your 4A. And then your 4C. 4C. Log 2x equals to 8. Log 2x equals to 8. Alright. See, this one, you want to find x here, bring your 2 to the right side. We apply the anti-log, so 2 power of 8. Okay, x equals to 2 to the power of 8. This one I tak tahu. Kena tekan kita. 2 power 8, korang dapat 256. So, korang akan dapat 256. Okay, so the answer for C is 256. Very straightforward, very easy. Right, very easy. Okay guys, setakat ini ada soalan ke nak tanya? Okay, faham ke semua ni? Please respond please respond on the live chat. Risau pula aku tengok korang senyap ke? Okay, hari ni more to orang kata apa, sambil belajar kita buat sikit-sikit exercise. Okay, tajuk ni tak susah sebenarnya, tapi dia banyak, a lot of formula. Okay, a lot of formulas. That's why I kata tajuk ni, you guys, I need to split this tajuk into the 2 class. Okay, hormat bateri habis. Alright. Okay. So faham Okay, good. Now, that is number 5. Number 4. Now look at number 5. Number 5 lagi senang. Guna kalkulator je. Okay. So number 5, let's do ACE kita buat ACE. Nombor 5. Nombor 5 ACE. Ni terus tulis soalan dan terus tulis jawapan je. Tak ada solution, tak ada step. There's no step for anti-lock here. Okay. Nak guna kalkulator mana? Okay lah, I guna kalkulator ni lah. Most of you, I guna kalkulator ni. Most of you ada kalkulator ni kan? Okay. So, anti-lock, that means 10 power something. So, anti-lock 2.1423. That means, mana button? Tak nampak. Shift, ni, shift lock tekan shift lock. Shift lock. Mana lock ni? Lock. Okay, it came out with 10. Okay, so 2.1423. 2.1423 sama 2.1423 dan korang tekan di equal. Dapatlah jawapan. Cut and paste. 138.7714. That will be the answer. So 138.7714. Done. Okay, for your information, for question 5, when you do in your exercise books later, you just write down the soalan anti-lock 2.1423 equals to the answer here. This is the answer, straightforward. Okay, there's no step. Okay, there's no step for number 5 because the step is shown by the calculator. Only use the calculator saja. Alright, how about C? C also same thing. Okay, guna makcik ni lagi, kalkulator ni lagi. Shift lock. Okay, berapa tu? 3.7457. 3.7457. Then korang dapat ni makcik dia. 55 something. Okay. 5563.0099. That means how many decimal places I told you? At least 3 decimal places, right? In SPM, make sure at least 3 decimal places wherever you do when you do the calculation. But when we talk about the graph, 2 decimal places. When we talk about price, 2 decimal places. The price we already discussed more detail about price numbers, price digit. Okay, and also angle 2 decimal places. But the rest must be at least 3. Okay, so kalau korang tengok kat sini 0099 blank. So korang round off dapat berapa? Korang akan dapat 0.01 round off lah. Okay, ikut korang. So the question C, tadi C now E. Anti-lock negative 2. Berapa ni? 5676. Okay, then this is the answer. 2.70 berapa? Belakang ni. Berapa ni? Berapa ni? Negative 03. This is standard form. That means your answer must be written like this. 2.7. Korang dah belajar kan sebenarnya dalam maths chapter 1 kan. I tak ajar maths tapi I tahu ni keluar dalam chapter 1 form 4. Okay, 7064 times 10 to the power of negative 3. And also you already learned how to write down the standard form in the physics. Okay, in physics. Okay, this is the final answer for E. Alright. C tadi I tak ingat dah. Korang salin je lah. Korang buatlah sendiri. Okay, that is the question for self practice 4.9. Habis. Now, let's look at the example 25. Okay, example 25. Okay, example 25, we are talking about operation. Not operation. Log 550 equal to that, log 5 something equal to this. Okay. Example 25 is about simplify the log. Simplify the log from the given info. That means for example 25, there's a lot of information given. And then the soalan. To solve the soalan, you need to apply the information given. Okay? When you apply the information given, then you can solve the problem. Okay? So, let's say log 560. Log 560. Example 25. Okay, kejap. Mana mata hitam ni? Log 560. Okay. Information given log 550 and log 54. Okay, guys. This is example 25. Okay. Ini soalan dia, log 560. Selesaikan makcik ini. Okay, selesaikan makcik ini. Tapi bila you guys tengok pada the information given, the information give us the log 515 equal to something and log 54 equal to something, right? Okay. To solve this makcik A, actually there's a lot of way to solve this problem. But because we need to apply the information, so hanya satu cara je untuk selesaikan soalan ni. Tak boleh guna cara lain. I tak boleh tunjuklah cara lain tu. Sebab we need to use this makcik here. Okay. So guys, log 560. How to relate? Okay, your objective is how we relate 60 with 15 and 4. Macam mana nak dapatkan, macam mana kita nak kaitkan, find the relationship between 60 with 15 and 4. So we can make a conclusion, 60 actually 15 times 4, right? 60 sama dengan 15. 15 kali 4 kan? Itulah tugas you yang pertama. You need to find the relationship. That is what I mean by apply the info into the soalan. Okay? So, korang akan tulis macam ni. Okay? Korang akan tulis macam ni. Log 60, log 560 actually equals to log 5 15 times 4. Because 15 darab 4 60. Okay? That is your first step. Alright, second step. Now, korang nampak kan? Apa operation dia kat sini? Darab kan? 15 darab 4, right? Back to our law of logarithm I tulis tadi. Look at your number 6. We got log A x y. X dengan y darab. Bila x and y darab, kita kena split. We need to split the log. So that it become log ax tambah log ay. You kena pisahkan x dengan y. Sebab dia darab, dia jadi tambah. Bila x dengan y bahagi, dia jadi minus. So, kat sini, kita cuba pisahkan makcik-makcik ini. Dia akan jadi dia akan jadi seperti ini. Right? So, 15 times 4 is a times, right? So, we can split become log plus log. According to the rules of number 6 here. Okay, according to the rules number 6, x and y darab, then we can split become plus. So, darab here, we can split become plus. Log plus log. Okay. So, log 515 dah ada. Log 54 ada. Berapa jawapan kat sini? Berapa value ini? Letak saja, dapat jawapan. Habis. That's how you solve the problem. Okay, if the info is given. Okay. Only one way to solve the problem, like this. This kind of soalan, if info is given, you kena guna cara ini. You kena convert the 60 become something times something, ataupun something divide by something. Itu tugas you. So, dia akan jadi apa kat sini? Log 550 sama dengan 1.6828, 1.6826 tambah log 54 0.8614. Sama dengan berapa? Korang akan dapat 2.544. Habis. Okay, from the textbooks, dia sudah tunjuk. This one, the final answer 2.544. Settle. Okay, this is the way to solve the problem if the info is given. Ini info. Bila info diberi, memang korang wajib guna. Okay, korang kena tunjuk kat sini, baru dapat jawapan. Kalau info tak bagi, kalau info tak ada. Okay, kalau info tak ada, gunalah kalkulator terus. Log berapa? Log berapa tu? 560 560. Tekan kita, berapa jawapan? Log 560, 2.54395 bla bla bla. That means 2.544. Sama saja. Okay, sama saja. Right? That is question That is example 25A. And also, how about B? Okay, if you look B, 12. How to relate 12 with 15 and 4? Macam mana? Okay, so from here, okay, 12 actually is equals to 60 over by 5. Okay, 60 over by 5. So 60 actually sama dengan berapa? 60 equals to 15 times 4, right? Okay, so equals to 15 times 4. We already did on the top, okay, on the question A. So that's why from the textbooks, they bagi log 5 60 over 5 equals to log 60 minus log 55. Log 55 actually equals to 1. So 2.5 double 4 minus 1, then you akan dapat 1.5 double 4. Very straightforward. Okay, log 5 100. Okay, I bincang yang tu. Log 5 100. Okay, 100 how to relate with 15, how to relate with 4. Sometimes kita tak perlu relate dua-dua nombor. Sometimes only one number saja sudah cukup. Okay, so dekat sini kalau anda lihat from the information from info we got log 5 15, we got log 5 4. So limited numbers here, the available numbers here is 15 and 4, right? So sometimes we need to apply another number. What the number that we can apply? Look at the base. We got base number 5 5, right? So that means actually from the information that have 3 different numbers that we can apply to solve the problem. Number 1, 15. Number 2, 4. And number 3 is number 5 here. So if you look at log 5 100, 100 actually equals to 25 times 4, right? It's actually is equals to log 5 25 times 2 times 4. Okay, 25. Is there any number here 25? There's no number 25 here, betul? Tapi actually 25 is came from what? 25 it came from 5. Okay, 25 ini, okay, before that we split dulu. Log 5 25 tambah log 5 4. Okay, easy for us now because log 5 4 we know the value from the info, but log 5 25 how to know the value? 25 actually is a 5 power something, which is 5 power 2. Okay, 5 power 2. 0.4 berapa? 0.8614. Okay, actually equals to this one, right? So 25 actually is a 5 power 2 plus this one I convert terus. Now log 55 2 power 2 actually how much tadi? Kita dah bincang kan? The 2 power here we can bring to the front, it become 2 log 55. 2 log 55 actually equals to 2 times 1 So sama dengan 2 tambah 0.8614. So the final answer will be 0.8614. Okay. 2.0 sorry, 2.8614. Betul? Okay, 2.8614. Very straightforward. Okay, sangat mudah sebenarnya. Alright. So I repeat. 100. How to relate 15 and 4? Cannot. You cannot relate 15 and 4 with 100. But we still have the third option. The third option is the third numbers that available here. 15, 4, and 5. 5, right? 5, 5, right? So you also can relate with 5. So how to get 100? 5 times 5 times 4. Betul tak? 5 times 5, 25 times 4, 100. So 5 times 5 is 25. So 25 times 4 is 100. So I split and I solve the problem. Sangat mudah. Semudah ABC. Habis. Faham ke semua ni? Setakat ni. Example 25. 26. Oh, banyak lagi Oh, I rasa macam dah banyak pula. I takut pula kalau buat banyak ni kan korang pening. Okay, I rasa cukup kot. Tadi kita dah bincang example 25. Now let's discuss until 4.10 We discuss until saya practice 4.10 saja hari ni. Okay, now let's discuss example 26. Example 26. Okay, Syam kata faham. Okay, that means semua orang I assume faham Kalau tak faham, as usual tinggalkan soalan dekat komen. Example 26. Okay, find the value without using calculator. Nampak? Soalan kata tanpa menggunakan calculator. So, korang, memang guna punya. Kan? Walaupun dia kata jangan guna, tapi I percaya you guys akan guna juga. Okay, let's solve the problem. Log 5750 minus log 56. Okay, guys. You see here, how we solve example 26, 26. Now, this is log minus log, number 1. Number 2, look at the base. Same base or not? Base 5, this also base 5. Oh, base sama. And then log minus log, semudah ABC. Terus tengok, rules number 7. Log A, same base. And then x minus y, right? So, we can simplify this makcik to become x over y. So, makcik mana tadi? Makcik merah ni log x, log tolak log ini korang boleh simplify dia jadi makcik hitam. Okey. Dia akan jadi makcik hitam ni makcik hitam pula. Makcik apa? Coklat. Okey, makcik coklat sikit. Alright. So dia akan jadi over 750 divided by 6. Tekanlah kat kita. Okey. 750 divided by 6. Ini korang boleh gunakan kita lah. So korang akan dapat berapa? 1 to 5. So dia akan dapat log 5, 1 to 5. Okay, korang akan dapat ini. Now, tugas korang seterusnya apa? How to convert 1 to 5 with the power of with base 5 power something. Itu tugas korang seterusnya kan? I dah katakan, kalau sini 5, cuba tukar 1 to 5 become 5 power something. So, korang akan dapat 5 power 3. 5 power 3 ya? Ya, 5 power 3. So, the final answer will be 3. Alright? So, log 5, 1 to 5, 1 to 5 actually is the 5 power 3. 3 bring to the front, it become 3 log 5, 5. 3 log 5, 5 is 1. Log 5, 5 is 1. So, 3 times 1, jawapannya 3. Habis. Okay, how about B So, untuk soalan B. B dia panjang sikit, okay? B ni dia log plus log minus log, okay? So, soalan B kita ialah okay, log 38 tambah okay, 2 log 3 6 minus log 3 96 over 9. Log 3 96 over 9. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. This is the soalan, right? Okay, this is the soalan for B. Okay, so guys, before we solve the problem, you need to simplify all the log given here. Okay, log 38 already simplest. 2 log 36. Nampak? We got 2 in front, right? 2 log 36. Ya, betul 2 log 36. This is not the log that we want. Okay, we want the original log. So the original log should be log 36 to the power 2. So you need to bring the 2 back to become the power again. So itu tugas pertama korang before we solve this problem. So you need to write down again 38 plus log 36 to the power 2 like this. Okay, 6 to the power of 2. Bring your 2 to the power again to become the power again. Okay, minus log 396 over 9. That one already that one is the original log, so tak perlu simplify lagi. So log 96 over by 9. Okay, so the blue color is the first step actually. Okay, now what's the second step? We got log plus log, we got log minus log. So look at the rules. Number 6, log plus log, that means darab. Log minus log, that means over. Semudah ABC saja. Kita gabungkan semua. Since the base, all the base is 3, 3, 3, right? So we can write down log 3. Okay, log 3 like this. Okay, 8. Okay, this one log plus log, right? That means 8 times. 8 times 8 times 6 to the power of 2. Okay, 8 times 6 power 2 minus log, that means bahagi, over, that means ataupun bahagi, you can write down bahagi ataupun over. Now this is over 6, over 9, tutup bracket. Okay, I repeat, plus b, that's why the log plus log become darab, but minus log we become this one become divide, so divided by 96 over by 9. Then korang tekan je calculator, berapa korang dapat? 8 darab 6 squared. 8 darab 6 squared divided by 96 over by 9. Then you are supposed to get 27. Log 3, 27. Okay, this is the answer, log 3, 27. But you need to find the final value, right? 3, this is 27. Can you convert 27 to become 3 power something? Yes. 3 power berapa? 3 power 3. So, korang akan dapat apa sekarang? Then you guys akan dapat log 3, 3 to the power 3. So, we can bring down the power 3 to the front. It becomes 3 log 3, 3. So, the final answer, 3. Semudah ABC. Okay. From the red color here, log 3, 27. Korang jadikan dia 27 become 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3, and then power 3 I bring to the front, it becomes 3 log 3, 3 log 3, 3 is 1, 3 times 1, 3. Habis. That's all about example 26. Okay, the last exercise for today. Saya practice 4.10, okay. So, you guys kena copy soalan dalam your exercise books, okay, murid-murid CBN. Number 1, let's do the number 1, A and donkey. A and donkey, and then number 2, A and C. Alright, so itu 4 soalan. You need to copy to your MS1 atau MS2. Okay, I pun if you have MS1, use MS1. If you have MS2, use the MS2. Alright. So, self practice 4.10. Self practice 4.10. The last exercise for today. Number 1, A and donkey. A berapa tu? Log 7. 1 over 4. Okay, interesting. Okay, info is given log 7 4, log 7 5. Okay, tulis info dulu. Okay guys, number 1 for number 1A, log 7 1 over 4 here. Okay, first thing is, look at the soalan. The soalan give us the information. The info given. So that means we need to apply the info. So the available numbers here is log berapa tu? Log 7 4. This is 4 4 betulkan sikit. Okay. So the available numbers I told you 4, 5, and the third option is 7. Okay, 7 also is a available number. So how to relate 4, 5, or 7 to this 1 over 4? So before you solve the problem, 1 over 4 is a mixed number. Convert this number to become a fraction. So just press down your calculator, then you are supposed to get 5 over 4. So first step, convert log 7 5 over 4. Right? 1 over 4, actually 5 over 4. Now you see, we got 5, we got 4, semudah ABC. So 5 over 4, when we have log 5 over 4, that means log minus log. Look at the rules number 7. 5 over 4, dia akan jadi 5 tolak 4. Okay. So, dia akan jadi log 7, 5 minus log 7, 4. Okay guys, tolong kira berapa jawapan dia sekarang. Ini. Log 5 minus log 7, 4. Okay. The value log 4 and log 5 is given on the top here. You kena tengok pada textbooks. Just substitute the value, tolakkan the value of log 7, 4, then you get the final answer. Okay, someone calculate for me. That is your first question, number 1A. Now let's look at number 1D. 1D. Log 7, 0.25. Log 7, 0.25. Okay, guys, 0.25. Okay, 0.25. Macam mana kita nak relate dengan 4, 5 or 7? Senang je. 0.25 korang tekan dulu kat calculator. Dia terus tukar jadi apa? 1 over 4, right? 0.125 equals to 1 over 4. So, convert. Every time you have a decimal numbers, try to convert become the fraction, improper fraction normally. So, it become log 7, 1 over 4. Mudah. 1 over 4, it become 1 over 4 like this, right? So 1 over 4 log 7, that means it's a log 7 1 minus log 7 4, right? Log 7 4, yeah. So you can split, it become log 7 1 minus log 7 4. Okay? Alright. So this is what we are supposed to get. Okay? Now, log 7-1, how much? Ada ke log 7-1 here? Ada tak dia bagi log 7-1? Log 7-1, tak ada. Dia tak bagi. Log 7-7-1, but log 7-1, how much? Back to the rules of logarithm. Log A1, 0. Maksudnya log 7-1, kosong. Log 7-1, log 7-1, kosong nilai dia. Okay, 0. So, jawapan dia kat sini, kosong tolak, kosong tolaklah dengan log 7-4 korang ni. So, dapat berapa jawapan? Tolong kira. Okay. So, that means 0 tolak log 7-4. You can find the value from here. Put it here. So, 0 tolak that makcik, dapatlah jawapan final. Okay, berapa jawapan kat sini tadi? Nombor 1 ni. Roshini, 0.115. Okay, so the answer from here is 0.115. Okay, ini jawapan dia 0.115. Please double check. And the second answer for donkey, the final answer is negative, negative 0.712. Okay, Roshini sudah bagi jawapan. Negative 0.712. Dan okay, settle, settle. Okay, that is your question number 1. Now number 2. Number 2 we doing the 2A and 2C, 2A and 2C. Alright. Number 2A. Simplify. Oh, sorry, evaluate. That means evaluate means we need to find the final answer, the final value, and the final value. So log 321. Salin dulu, tambah log 3 18 tolak log 3 14. Okay, guys. This one, 2A. For 2A, before we solve the problem, first step, check the base. The base must be equal. The base value mesti sama. Baru korang boleh apply the formula. Terbalik. Baru korang boleh apply ini, dua makcik ni. Number 6 and 7, The base must be equal. Baru korang boleh gabung. Okay, if one of the base tak sama, itu kelas akan datang. Okay, I akan ceritakan ada cara dia. Okay, first step, check the base. Sama. Oh, sama base dia. 3, 3, 3. Bila base sama, dah mudah dah hidup kita. Iaitu, terus buat log 3 big bracket. Okay. We got log plus log minus log. That means 21 darab 18 bahagi 14. So, 21 darab 18 over by 14. Okay. Mak, I tulis macam ni. Okay. So, log 3, 21 times 18 divided bahagi 18. Boleh juga. Macam kita buat contoh sebelum tadi kan. Kita tulis bahagi kan. Okay. Kita tulis bahagi. Okay. Tulis bahagi. Ataupun, you also can write over like this. Okay. 21 times 18 over by 14. Same thing. Ni 14 14 here. So, korang kira lah makcik ni berapa guna kalkulator. Memanglah dia kata jangan guna kalkulator, tapi memang kita guna kalkulator juga. Okay. So 21 darab 18 bahagi 14. So korang dapatlah 27. So log 3 27. Now I believe that we already know, right? Log 3 27 actually how much the value? Jawapan dia 3. Okay, kenapa jawapan dia 3? Because log 3 27 actually is a 3 cube. 3 to the power 3. So the power 3 we can bring to the front. it become 3 log 3, 3. It become 3 times log 3 times 1. So that's why the answer is 3. Okay, so I dah shortcut kat sini log 3 27, straight away get the answer 3. Okay, so we already discussed that, how we find that 3 here. Okay, so that is your answer for 2A. Now, final question. Ingat number 2 korang kena buat A and C salin dalam buku. Alright, number 2C. Log 27 plus log 2 12 minus log 2 21. Okay guys, this one log 27 tambah log 212 minus log 221, semua base sama, right? 2 so bila base sama, then we can simplify, become like this. So plus that means times, minus that means divide, same thing. Okay guys, please calculate for me the final answer for C. Okay, tolong kira untuk jawapan C ni berapa. Berapa korang akan dapat sepatutnya kat sini? 7 times 12 over by 21. How much here? Log 2 berapa? And then get the final answer. Okay, so that will be the end. Roshini get the answer 4. That means your final answer will be 4 here. So kalau 4 kat sini, that means this will be 2 powers. This one will be 16 lah. Is that correct? Because the answer Roshini show us is a 4 here. So this one should be 16 So 16 you can convert 16 yeah. 16 you can convert become 2 power 4. No. Bukan jawapan dia Roshini. Bukan 4 Okay, bukan 16 Teacher, the answer is 2. Oh, answer, that means you calculate 7 times 12 over by 21 is 4 lah. Okay. Okay, so the final answer is 2. Yes, correct. Okay, so Roshini sudah tulis Dia kata, Syuhan pun also kata yang ini bukan 16 yang ini sebenarnya jawapan dia 4 So you compute this makcik become 4. Log 2 4 actually 2 Why 2? Because 4 actually 2 power 2. The power 2 we can bring down, it become 2 log 2 2, so 2 times 1 equals to 2. Okay, Masya also sudah dapat jawapan dia 2. Okay, thank you. So guys, that will be the end of our exercise for today and also the end of our class. Right? So as usual, I minta sangat sebabkan kita ada lagi 3 formula ke 2 atau 3 formula lagi about this topic. So that will be, we continue that formula on the next class. So before we dismiss, okay, please make your own recap balik. Okay, go through again the tajuk, this tajuk here. Okay, look at the exercise. Okay, so make sure you guys can understand how we simplify the index number daripada nombor index kepada log. Okay, how you convert nama dia anti-log, nama dia log form, etc. Okay, so jawapan berapa? Okay, Badri, okay, Syami dapat 2 so answer 2 juga. Okay, same thing jawapan. Negatif 2 ke 2 ni? Okay, I hope jawapannya 2 kan? Okay, so I minta you guys tolong buat recap balik so that next week on the next class kita akan start dengan our what we call that next number 8 and number 9. I think ada lagi satu, I terlupa. Nanti I cuba ingat balik apa benda lagi satu. Okay, so number 8 ni lebih harder sikit lah. Okay, dia lebih harder sikit. And number 9 ini ialah new topic for you. Actually this one very easy, long. Okay, nanti I cerita. Alright, so that's all for today. So anything, kalau ada apa-apa soalan, please tinggalkan di ruangan komen. Okay, dan murid-murid sila update kehadiran Alright, that's all for today guys. So stay safe, selamat berbuka puasa kejap lagi pada murid-murid Muslim. Okay, I will see you on the next class. Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys.